Removal of the off-wing escape slide. Push in the flapper valves of the aspirator and release the pressure from the off-wing escape slide. Disconnect the inflation hose from the stowage compartment union. Disconnect the electrical connectors at the emergency lighting supply cable. Undo the strap press studs to separate the container panel from the escape slide. To release the top gert bar assembly, support the slide and open the gert flap. Remove the gert release handle and pull it. Undo the laces. Follow the same procedure to release the lower and forward gert assemblies. Carefully lower the off-wing escape slide to the ground. Remove and retain the seal attach plate screws. Remove and retain the seal attach plate and the seal strips. Loosen the attach panel studs. Move the top of the stowage compartment outboard at an angle and hold it. Disconnect the inflation hose from the fuselage union. Disconnect the emergency lighting electrical connector and remove the escape slide stowage compartment from the aircraft. The inflation reservoir has to be replaced.